Ductless mini-splits provide many benefits over other air conditioning systems. For one, they are easier and cheaper to install than traditional HVAC systems. This is especially true for multiple rooms that require heating or cooling. Secondly, they are much more efficient than other air conditioners. There are many products available on Amazon to choose the best mini-split air conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini-split air conditioner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. Whynter Arc 14's Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. This Whynter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner features a maximum output of 14,000 BTUs, suitable for rooms up to 500 square feet in size. The portable AC unit can be set to cooling, fan only, or dehumidifier mode. The fan speed in the cooling and fan mode can be adjusted between low, medium, and high to meet the user's personal preferences. The unit sits on 4 wheels, making it easy to move around and set up within the home. This was among the most powerful portable AC units we tested. Setup took a few minutes as we connected each hose to the back of the unit and screwed the window panel in. We turned the unit on when our 600 square foot room reached 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit was set to the lowest cooling setting at 61 degrees, and the highest fan setting. Cold air was instantly pushed through the top vent, and the room was noticeably cooler within 10 minutes. Where traditional portable air conditioners are bulky, this model is sleek stainless steel and slimmer than most. Number 2. Ductless Mini-Split. If you want better efficiency, or you want to do away with a lot of ducting, or you simply just want a portion of your home to be cooled, then opting for ductless mini-split air conditioners is a great choice. Ductless systems are a great choice for contemporary homes. Such type of an air conditioner is a combination of an outdoor unit comprising of a compressor and a condenser that comes along with one or more indoor units. These indoor units are mounted on a wall and equipped with air blowers. The indoor and outdoor units are connected through tubing, and refrigerant circulates through them in variation, depending on the type of usage. Since these indoor units are small and compact, each room usually gets its unit installed that can either be used for heating or cooling purposes. Such types of air conditioners are regarded much more efficient in energy consumption compared to some of the other options available out there, but can also be heavy on the pocket if you plan on installing one in each room to cover the entire house. Ductless mini-splits come with a remote control, but coupled with a smart AC controller, you can operate them using your phone from anywhere. Number 3. Cooper & Whynter Ductless Mini-Split Air Conditioner. Why we like it. A 12,000 BTU mini-split AC unit with 4-in-1 functionality that has one of the highest heating energy efficiency ratings at 13.5 HSPF. While most people think about air conditioners as being able to only cool a space, one of the biggest selling points of a ductless mini-split air conditioner is that they can effectively heat and cool rooms. We're including the Cooper & Whynter mini-split AC unit because it has one of the best heating energy ratings that we found through our research for this product category. You'll get a 21.5 SEER for cooling and 13 HSPF for heating functions. Note that this pick is a 12,000 BTU air conditioner that is rated for rooms from 301 to 377 square feet. We like that this is another great 4-in-1 model that includes cooling, heating, a dehumidifier, and a fan. You'll also get a Wi-Fi enabled appliance that can be controlled either through the included remote or with the smartphone app that comes with this air conditioner. You'll also get self-diagnosis, refrigerant leak detection, and a 2-way draining connection. And again, we found that while this pick promises quieter operation as compared to competitors, the sound output is a bit higher, with a range from 25 to 36.5 decibels, depending on your fan speed. And for vertical window installation, check out any of the best dual hose portable air conditioners on the market today. Number 4. Portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners are similar to window air conditioners. They are also placed in a single unit with all its components enclosed inside, but the difference is that it is a freestanding unit and therefore can be moved from room to room. All it requires is a power outlet to power it up and access to a window where the unit's air can be exhausted from using its funnel. You can opt for a portable air conditioner if you want temporary space cooling, or wherever it's not practical to install a window or split air conditioner. They are very handy, and smaller versions can even be used for kennels or bathrooms. Portable ACs can be single house that takes in air from inside a room and expel it outdoors. Or dual hose, which pulls air from the outdoors using one hose. This air cools the compressor and is then exhausted outdoors from the other hose. Since a portable unit sits indoors, its evaporator fan runs continuously to evaporate the condensed moisture that is collected inside the unit. Number 5. Mini-split concealed duct. One of the cons of a mini-split system is being conspicuous and interrupting the interior decor of a home. A concealed duct mini-split is more discreet by hiding the whole system almost completely behind a wall or ceiling, with only the grill being visible. This also allows the room space to be maximized, making it an ideal choice for smaller homes or tighter spaces. This concealed duct model with heat pump offers 14,400 BTUs cooling capacity and 18,000 BTUs heating. It will efficiently cool a room that is about 550-700 SQ. Feed-in boasts an ER of 12.7 and a CR rating of 20.2 with an HSPF of 10.3. Out of the box, this mini-split system will keep cooling with outdoor temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and will heat with temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit up to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Low ambient cooling capabilities are also available with this system. By cutting a jumper or changing a dip switch setting, this unit will cool down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The major advantage to the FDMQ medium static unit is the ability for longer duct runs, giving the consumer numerous installation opportunities and the ease of implementing high MER filters. The ducted ceiling system is designed to quietly blend into the ambience of shops, restaurants, small offices or home environments. Daikin's ducted unit is easily concealed in the ceiling in a non-distracting way. When paired with the inverter variable speed compressor RX15R MVJU in a single zone application, this system will deliver the capacity required and reduce energy consumption. The slim profile of this unit, less than 10 high, allows for installation in tighter ceiling spaces than other ducted units. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.